Hello guys, this is Caesar with Cali Custom Alignments. This is the engine final test. We just finished installing the gauges. We're gonna see if it starts. Here we go. On 3, 1, 2, 3. There it is. Running good. Here we're looking at the ratio gauge is working. Let's look at the ignition timing, see how that looks like. Alright, here's a better look. Got idle of 1,000 RPM. Here's a better look. 9 degrees. This is with the idle air control valve disconnected. Yeah, it's pretty much dead on. So this is it, guys. Next step is a road test. But yeah, we're good. We are good, guys. Awesome. Got good fuel pressure. Let me look at the gauges one more time and confirm. Alright, so now that it's fully warmed up, look at that. 12.5. Air fuel ratio is good. Got a good coolant temperature sensor, no overheating. Yeah, it's good. Alright, so now we just have to clean up this mess over here and it's ready for a road test. Cool. Awesome, thanks for watching.